The first cocktail I'm going to make, I'm going to do using the Grapefruit Grenade. It's going to be a simple daiquiri. Now, I've made a daiquiri with that a few months ago. It's absolutely lovely. But as this is brand new, as I've just got hold of a bottle, I'm going to make a daiquiri. Exactly the same ratios as what I've done with that. But I'm going to make a grapefruit daiquiri. So, the first thing we need, I really love this now. I've got my Nick and Nora glass. I'm just going to chill this down. So just going to put a bit of crushed ice in there, set that to one side. Right, cocktail shaker. Now, because this is a 65% rum, you really don't need a 50ml measure in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 35ml, okay? So 35ml of the Grapefruit Grenade. This is grapefruit and honeycomb. That's what that is. So 35ml. Then I'm going 20ml of lime juice. If you want to use fresh lime juice, be my guest. This is what I always say. These are the products I kind of bang on about all the time. If you are making cocktails right then and there, then fresh, in my opinion, is always better. It is. However, if you are squeezing juice for service in about 4, 5, 6 hours times, if you're squeezing juice ready for the weekend, do you know what? This is absolutely amazing, because after a few hours, the lime juice, the fresh lime juice, it doesn't go off, but it oxidizes and the flavor profiles change. And after a few hours, I really can't taste the difference between this. This is ODK, and there'll be links in the show notes of where you can get this from. This is 100% lime juice, but it's just, I really love it. So I'm going 20ml, all right? So 20ml going in there. That's ODK's lime juice. And then we just need a bit of sugar. This is just Funkin' sugar syrup. It's, you know, sugar's sugar in my opinion. Yes, there's loads of different brands in there. If you can really taste the difference between sugar syrups, you'll be doing well. So this is what I use. So we've got 35ml, 20ml. I'm just going to go 15ml, all right? So 15ml of sugar syrup in there. Now, thing I've started doing with daiquiris on events, I've started shaking them with crushed ice, because it gives a little bit more dilution. Because I've gone back in the last couple of months to using proper ice from my ice suppliers, nice big, all right, it's kind of melted a bit, but it's solid ice. We haven't got the tubed ice anymore. To give the daiquiris extra dilution, I am using crushed ice to shake them down. So, just going to fill that up with crushed ice. There we go. Cocktail shaker on. Give it a little tap. And you just want to shake this for about 12, 15 seconds or so. So hard and fast shake. Right, you can see that's nice and chilled, nice and condensed. Don't need to tap it, that'll just come off straight away in there. Get rid of your crushed ice out of your chilled glass. And then we just need to strain. I'm not going to double strain, I like a bit of, tiny bit of ice in my little daiquiris there. So there we go. There we go, perfect. Just pop that to one side. Right, garnish wise, I'm just going to use a lime wheel. Going to go that side. And that is my grapefruit grenade daiquiri. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow. God, that is absolutely amazing. That is quite possibly the best daiquiri I've done with the spiced rum review so far. The red leg one was absolutely amazing. But that, you get the grapefruit, but you get that little bit of sort of the honey coming through as well. Wow. That is an absolute stunner. So that is my Grapefruit Grenade daiquiri.